Hey there, welcome back to SAP with Veena. In this video, let's understand how to handle free goods in SAP MM. So there are times where we negotiate with the vendor to supply a certain quantity absolutely free. So we have two cases. One is we can post goods receipt without reference to an order, and also we can create a purchase order for free goods. So first, let's see creation of a purchase order. Here I'm going to pick a material, say M1. Quantity, I'm creating it for 10 units. And here you can see that the system has copied the price from the info record. But since this is coming to us absolutely free, and we are creating a purchase order, here we have free goods column wherein we can activate this indicator. Now, if I look at the price, there's no price mentioned for that particular line item. So now I'm going to save this. Okay, so before I post the goods receipt for this, let me go to the material master. And go into accounting view. So here we can see that this material is maintained on moving average price, and the inventory value as of now, it's 564.50, and per unit price is 4.67, and the total stock what we have is 121. Okay, so I'm just taking a screenshot of this. Okay, so this is the situation now. Total stock, what we have is 121. Moving average price is what it is valuated at, and per unit price it is valuated at is 4.67, and that's how inventory value is 564.50. Now I'm going to post goods receipt for this material. For the purchase order. So PO number is 196, and I'm not going to change the movement type since we are going to post goods receipt with reference to a PO. 101 is the right movement type. So here I need to specify the storage location as usual and the quantity. And before we post, if we want to check the stock situation, we can check here like we have unrestricted 121 on order. There are various orders pending. So collectively we have 532 units pending from various vendors. Now, when I post this, now this material is maintained on moving average. So generally, we have seen that whenever there is a goods receipt posted with reference to a purchase order, with reference to moment type 101, we have an accounting document that gets generated. Now, since this material is coming to us absolutely free, so here we can check for the FI document, and here you will see there is no value to it. Okay, so there is no accounting document when the material is maintained on moving average price. Now, if I go into the material master, here you can check for the accounting view. And if you can take a note of my previous reference to the material master accounting view, inventory value was 564.5, and it is still showing the same, and it has not changed inventory value. Of course, there is a change in the valuation price, and total stock, of course, it has got added. Now, moving average price, we know that it is calculated based on total value divided by total stock, and it remains the same. Suppose if you look at this screenshot over here, 564.50. So the value hasn't changed. Okay, so here, whenever we are going to post free of goods quantity against a material which is valuated at moving average price, either you have a purchase order or without reference to a PO. Irrespective of that, we need to make a note that accounting document is not generated for this, and of course stock will get updated. Okay, now I'm going to one more material, that is, I'm picking a material which is maintained on standard price. Okay, so this material is evaluated at standard price, and the valuation price is 2 USD, and total inventory value is 372, and the total stock what we have is 186. Okay, now since I've already demonstrated one free goods posting with reference to a PO, for this material I'll show you how to post goods receipt for free goods without reference to a purchase order. Okay, so I'm going to MIGO. Now, wherein the material has come in absolutely free, but we don't have a referencing document to it, so we have the option of posting it without reference to any purchase order. So you're going to pick goods receipt, reference to others, and here the movement type will be 511 if you're posting that into unrestricted stock. Okay, so here I'm going to pick VLSI, the respective storage location and the plan. And here I need to provide some text. So I'll say like free of cost is what I'm saying. And we need to also specify which vendor is supplying this material, because it is being supplied by an external source. So all this material okay, sorry. So TMK 100 quantity. Okay, sorry. Quantity I'm taking it as 20 units, and material I'm taking TMK 100, which is valuated at standard price. Okay, let me check. So now I'm going to post this. So now if I look for the material document over here and the followed accounting document, so now you can see that the system has generated an accounting document with the values. If I go back to my material master, here you can see that, of course, the characteristics of standard price is that it remains constant throughout. So this is the valuation price, and now total stock has got added with this posting what we did, and inventory value has changed, uh, multiplied by, I mean, the standard price multiplied by total stock. This is the total inventory value what we have. So here for free goods handling, we can either do it by way of a purchase order by activating free goods indicator for the particular line item, or we have an option of posting goods receipt without reference to any order by picking movement type 511. So here one thing what we need to make a note, as I've demonstrated here, is that whenever a material is being maintained on moving average, there is no accounting document generated, because I've already shown you that the inventory value doesn't change. And whenever you post a goods receipt for a free of cost material, when the material is valuated at standard price, I've already shown you that the accounting document gets generated. So also, accounting document getting generated or not is not dependent on whether you are posting the goods receipt with reference to PO or without PO. Irrespective of that, whenever there is free goods and if the material is valuated at standard price, accounting document will be generated. Okay, so this is a quite smaller topic, but I just wanted to cover this. Okay, now I'll be connecting soon with a new video with a new topic. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks all. Bye bye.